How to install or update Intel SD graphic driver on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can install or update Intel SD graphic drivers on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you want to install the Intel graphics driver, you could manually install it from the Intel's official tool. So for that, you have to visit the Intel Driver and Support Assistant, that is DSA. Now open up a browser in your device, then you have to head over this link right here. You will find the link under the description in this video, so you could also check out there. If not, you could simply copy from here, that is www.intel.com/content www/us/en/support.detect.html. So you have to go to this link right here. So once you're here, you will find this kind of interface. Here you have an option to download it now. So click on download now and install the tool. After that, it will auto-detect your driver, and if a graphics update is available, you have to click on download and install. Once you're done with that, now you have to restart your PC after the installation. So that was the first method. Second method is to use your Windows update. You can close your browser. Now head over to settings in your Windows 11. And once you're on their settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Go to Windows Update. Once you're here, click on Advanced Options. Scroll down under Additional Options, click on Optional Updates. Once you're here, at the top, you have to look under Driver Updates. So click on here. If you see Intel display driver listed under this driver updates, then you have to click and install it. So in this way, you can install or update the Intel SD graphic driver in Windows 11. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.